In today's video, I'm going to show you how to embed a map into Notion. Whether you're planning a trip, organizing an event, or creating location-based project documentation, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to add an interactive map directly into your workspace. First, open your Notion workspace and go to the page where you want the map to appear. This could be a travel itinerary, a project plan, or any page where having a visual map reference would be helpful. Once you're on the page, click on the spot where you want the map to appear to create a new line and position your cursor. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't accidentally insert the map in the wrong spot. Next, type / followed by embed on that new line, and select the embed block from the menu that pops up. This block allows you to bring external content into Notion, and it works perfectly with Google Maps. Open a new browser tab and go to Google Maps at maps.google.com. Locate the exact place you want to display by either searching in the search bar or clicking the location directly on the map. Once you've found it, copy the URL from your browser's address bar. This contains all the information Notion needs to display that location. Once you've pasted the Google Maps URL into the embed block, click Embed Link. After that, you should see your map appear right in your Notion page. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to embed interactive maps into Notion easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who use Notion. Why not make someone's project planning a little easier?